skateboard sick. Or zipline sick.
Really?
I mean, it would have been more fun with the pups. And Wi-Fi. And cupcakes. But yeah, I just hope the pups had as good of a time as we did.
Better! We rocked this island.
We sure did! Best vacation ever!
I guess we're stuck camping under the stars for another night. Should we play the what if game again?
That's it!
What's it?
The stars! Remember what Auntie Anna said about the location of the hotel?
It's north. Just like the macaw constellation points to the North Star. Hey, you're not the only one who knows stuff about stuff.
Come on, girls. We can follow the macaw constellation like the native fishermen used to use it to find their way home.
But how are we ever going to get there in time?
Don't worry, I know a shortcut.
Another shortcut?
Yeah, but this time we have a map we can't lose.
Now, here's Lindsay with her take on an old classic.
Are we gonna make it?
We've got to try.
With these horses and those stars, it's our best chance of getting you there in time.
Chelsea Roberts? Chelsea Roberts! Chelsea Roberts! Last call for Chelsea Roberts!
The competition! We're gonna make it! And we might even have time to change, too.
Let's go, girls. Chelsea has a show to do.
All performers present have now completed their routines. The competition is now closed, and we have chosen a winner.
Wait! I'm here! Chelsea Roberts! Sorry I'm late.
I'm terribly sorry, Miss Roberts, but you're too late. I'm about to announce the winner.
Quick, give her puppy eyes! Please!
Oh. I suppose we can make an exception. Everyone deserves a chance to compete.
Yes! Thank you! Thank you! Get some every time!
You made it. Chelsea's about to go on. All right, Chelsea!
Go, Chels! Show them how it's done!